Here's a tour of the Many Pines tiny house located in Chetek, Wisconsin. We're about 40 miles north of Eau Claire, Wisconsin. We're situated on Lake Chetek, right down to the lake. Some good shots of the siding. That's cedar beveled siding. Square footage on the tiny house is 144 square feet. It also has a full queen-size loft at the top in the dormers, and a smaller loft in the front. So it puts it over, with including the loft, about 200 square feet. And it sits on a 7.5 by 20 trailer, double axle. There's the doorway. There's the side of the house. Kind of a backup view. Has a skylight. Let's take a look inside. We have a pull-out love seat here that turns into a bed. A small single sleeping space in the front loft above the porch. There's the door. The floors are Asian walnut. The siding is pine car siding, and beadboard for the ceiling. All LED lights inside. We have our quintessential Dickinson propane stove. Here's the kitchen. We have a propane gas LP stove, 4 burners. So a little closet here. Sink. And these cabinets are hickory. Got storage down here as well. There's the interior of the place. Take a look in the bathroom next. So the sink here is IKEA. It's got some nice drawers in it. The toilet is a composting separate. The model is Weekend. Works pretty nicely. It has separate funnels for the wet versus the dry. The shower is a single shower stall. Enough for a single person there. We have puck lighting at the top. Also above the sink. The hot water heater is a tankless EcoTemp. I want to just show you the Inside here, it's kind of hard to see actually, but we have a small RV pump that does about 3 gallons per minute, and a pressure tank inside here. This is the manifold that goes to the different sections of the tiny house. Let's just take a look at the loft area. So this is a queen size mattress up here. I'll just kind of get in the picture here just to demonstrate how tall it is. I'm about 5'10" and a half, and I can easily stand up on my knees here in the loft. The height of the tiny house is around 14 feet. So we have, these are awning windows here that can open. Over there is the smaller loft. And there you have it. That's the Many Pines tiny house. Thanks for watching.